Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of haul videos ago, I got this IMC Ford Cougar 2 from my friend Tony Lancer. Tony's got a hookup up there in Michigan, and thing looks like a Corvette. But he got me this kit, or I bought this kit from Tony. It has a little bit of assembly done to it, not much at all. No paint or anything's been installed. And I wanted to show it to you, and I had a few people say, yes, please show the Cougar. Not a lot to show. I mean, most of the parts are off the trees and things like that, but we'll open it up. It's classic. This kit's out of the 60s, 65, 66, somewhere around there. And we'll check it out. This one doesn't have plastic on it, so it doesn't bother me to open it up. So here we go. So first off, what you see is a really old set of instructions. Now when I say really old, I don't want to offend anybody to say you're from 1966, you're not really old. No, I'm just joking. For a kit, it's pretty old. Man, these things are giant. So it says first, it says Cougar 2, the newest way out GT dream car. Let me read this thing. The Ford Cougar 2 was one of the hits of the 64-65 New York World's Fair. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely from like 65, 66. With its sharply distinctive design flowing from bumper to bumper, a promise of action in every line, this car is designed to run in the 170-mile-an-hour range. The Cougar 2 is the next step forward from the Mustang and the Mustang 2 in Ford's never-ending effort to be ready with the latest ideas and designs in the GT market. The car features a tubular racing frame, Rouge Brownie wire wheels, Ford's famous 289 engine, pop-up headlights, and an air pressure relief vent on the rear deck. All these have been faithfully reproduced in this kit. We won't keep you any longer. Good luck and have a ball. And you know, if it's an IMC, you better have good luck. And someone might throw it like a ball, but that is the instructions. Oh, cool. Other IMC kits now on sale. The 65 Lotus Ford GT, got that one, and the Mustang 2, got that one. I've seen the Lotus, haven't got one yet, but I've seen the Lotus. Has a nice warning here. Read the instructions carefully and completely before the assembly of this kit. Engine. It's interesting that they have like the engine is painted red. That's it. Like I don't see. Oh no, I'm sorry. The body has color on it. Maybe those are the things that you would paint body color. Decal layout or decals. What is it? Decals or decals? If you live in Canada or across the ocean, I think it's decals. If you live in America, we tend to call it decals. This thing has opening doors. Didn't even realize. No? Door assembly. Yes, it does. Maybe you had to cut the doors out. Window position. Door hinge. Says the side windows have been designed to raise and lower, have been assembled, place the window, place the door in position in the door open. Oh yeah, they're already cut out. Okay, cool. Okay, so here's the body. That is not paint, that is a metallic plastic that this came with. The window has been installed, which that's no problem, you can get that stuff out. It's got the pop-up headlights. Oh my goodness, check it out. They didn't trim or try to get that stuff to fit or anything, but there's a pop-up headlight, and the other one is also in there. Pretty neat. A couple of chrome pieces installed at inner door panels, but the body has no paint on it. Hasn't been hacked on or anything that I can see. But yeah, it does have opening doors. I'd have to pop those hinges off so we could get some parts painted and stuff like that, like if I was really going to build it. Excuse me. Oh, cool. The windows let up. I didn't notice that. Check it out. You can put the windows up and down. I'm from South Georgia. The windows let up. Go up and down. Raise. Check that out. That is something. Anyway, the doors do open. The hood obviously opens. Got some a bag of cool parts here. I bagged up the tires, which it's got, oddly enough, 2, 4, 6, 7 tires. They're all the same. I couldn't tell that there was any difference in the tires. They are Dunlops. Very cool, but I don't understand why there were 7, but there he is. The racing chassis, excuse me, again, that has a few suspension parts on it, but yeah, it said, like in the instructions, it has a tubular racing chassis. That's what that is right there. Got the control arms with the shocks mounted. Let me see if you can't see that better. Come on, focus. Anyway, got that. It's got some detailed wiring on top of the inner fender wheels. It goes in there somehow. That, I suppose. There's your interior. Got the molded in shifting boot, which looks really nice. Has detail on the bottom side too. So when you look at the bottom of the kit, you've also got that detail. I do notice that IMC did really focus on detail in many ways. Here are your pinstripes that would have been a chrome sticker. Don't know if those are any good or not, but that's what that is. And here's the chrome tree with most of the parts still on it. Those cool wire wheels, chrome oil pan, leaf springs, full instrument panel, the cool Cobra valve covers. Those are really nice. It's like Weber carburetors. 4 or 8 Weber carburetors, 1 per cylinder. Got knockoffs, got the disc brakes, got a single carburetor here. Interesting. Okay, so Tony had mentioned that he went through and inventoried this for me whenever he got it. I said, do you think all the parts are there? He was looking at it, he's like, I'm pretty sure they are. And he went through and inventoried, and he thinks that the only thing missing is this steering knuckle here, which maybe, just maybe, I could actually cast one of those and make it. I mean, it would have to be opposite though, wouldn't it? I don't know how to do that, but anyway. But yeah, there's the chrome tree. Pulleys, differential, so it had independent rear suspension. Very cool. There's the rear view laying down in there, little guy all by itself. And this bag of parts, I don't know what significant things would be in here besides there's the rear window glass that I need to put in a separate container. Oh, here's the engine that has a few parts glued. At least they didn't glue bomb the heck out of it. At least they didn't paint it. So it's easily taken back apart. Nice C4. No, that's not a C4. That's a manual shift transmission. That looks like the grill. Yes, that would be the grill. You know, that thing is blackwashed. I wonder if the kid who put this together back a long time ago actually blackwashed that. I don't know. You see that? That part didn't come like that. They must have done it. Cool. Saw a seat. Little racing seat going on there. Okay, so I guess, no, what is this? Not a window. Where the heck does this go? That looks to be cut out. Oh, you know what that was? Maybe it was the roof. Here's another one. I have no idea. Let me see. I don't know. Don't know what that is. It doesn't show in the instructions what these two parts are. They look similar in size. This one has little dowel pins or little pins here. Don't know what the heck that is. That's what it is. It's a roof. Okay, so you can put a hard top roof on it. But what is this? This one doesn't fit. I don't know. It's a mystery. There's a mystery part found in each bag of IMC parts. And just other miscellaneous things. There's a steering wheel. GT style steering wheel, which is really cool. It's really nice. Little radiator, foot pedals, some other little parts. But I won't labor you anymore to go through this bag of parts. Pretty neat little kit. Too bad it already got the glue treatment before I got it, but it can always be unglued. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys, of the somewhere around 1965 Ford Cougar 2 that really think was influenced by a Corvette. But nevertheless, oh, check it out. It says retractable lights, working steering, workable steering, posable steering, opening doors, opening hood, operating windows, pressure vent flap, tubular frame, chrome wire wheels, and a 260 cubic inch high performance engine. The instructions said 289. However, 260 would have been around at that time, but the 260 you couldn't look at a 260, I don't think, and tell the difference as far as block and all goes. But anyway, they got that wrong because the instruction says 289, this says 260. But oh well, that's the neat things about model kits. The two different parts of the office didn't communicate that well. The box designers and the model designers did not communicate that great. But oh well, guys, thanks for watching this video. IMC Ford Cougar 2, probably from around 1966, 65, somewhere around there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you hadn't subscribed already, hit that subscription button if you don't mind. And go check out Hobby Nut Models, where you can get all your supplies for building a model kit. Anyway, guys, you know all those other things, they're linked in the description below. Go check them out. Support me if you haven't already on Patreon. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya. Bye.